Big car show going on in Palmyra, Pennsylvania. This is Palmyra Network News.
Yeah, you basically have to bring a rolling chassis.
Big car show going on in Palmyra, Pennsylvania. And Palmyra Network News takes you there. There's a Mustang. Big car show in Palmyra, Pennsylvania. This is Palmyra Network News.
Oh my goodness, I would have never guessed it. It's our family cruiser. Wow, we just might have took out.
Looks like we have a T-Bird here. 1956. I'd say it's a 56, judging by the fins. This is Palmyra Network News. This is Palmyra Network News at the car show in Palmyra, Pennsylvania. The 26th of July, 2025.